Hello everyone. So this is the my final submission of Capstone project. This is called WealthLens AI or MoneyLens AI, and the problem it solves is when you are starting a new job or when you are internal fresher, you are earning new, you don't know about your spending habits and you don't know where to spend what. So and where are you spending wrong or right? So this is the financial advisor which takes your latest bank statement or any previous month or new current month bank statement, and it gives you your spending habits. Suppose I'm uploading one bank statement here. A background process will start that will go through multiple AI agents, and it will give you a financial summary of what you are spending where. I have used anti-gravity to create this project, and for backend I have Python. The framework I've used is FastAPI, and for frontend I've used Node, and I'm also using for frontend I'm using React.js. I'm also using Docker to serve my backend project. I also have a README file from where you can easily set up this project. I have already uploaded it on GitHub, and I also have a .env.example file which you have to copy paste from here, and you have to copy paste your Gemini API key to just run the project. And also I have created the agents folder here. What I learned from the course. Here I am having readme.md that helps me in my git commits, and also I have a multi-agent architecture. I have created one agent orchestrator file here, and which when I upload the bank statement, it goes through multiple extraction agents. Now just see, I have switched to my dashboard, so I can see that my statement is still being checked, and it goes through extraction agent, spending agent, risk agent, budget agent, investment agent, advisor agent, and MCP client. MCP client is for checking the SIP and the mutual funds that are available. And I also have like sanitizing the bank statement personal info, like account number, name, and like UPI numbers and all the sensitive information that is not to be kept there. And this also I learned from this course. I am also having guardrails in my prompts, so you can see that email, UPI, IFSC, this is all sensitive information in an Indian bank account. So I uploaded one sample bank statement. You can find my sample statements from here. This is the statement that I uploaded of Apex Metro bank statement, and this shows whatever I spend it. And let's see, it is still calculating the data. So sometimes it take time because it has to pass through multiple layers. Also, I would like to tell you that you need Docker to run this project, and I already having a Docker compose file to run the front end, backend. And for front end, you just need to install Node locally and just run npm run dev. So you can use Docker also, but I'm not using as it is installed locally in my environment. And for the agent skill, when I do git log, so I can see the logs here. You can see the feed skills. It already took from my readme only, so it is working fine. And I'm also using Gemini, of course, for the agent. So okay, so it took longer than usual. I think I am running out of tokens, but you can see that there are other bank statements that report were created. Just let me check it. If there is some problem, just give me a second. Okay, so I don't see any problem here. I think I should refresh the project. Yeah, so my mock sample statement is done, and I am having the data here. You can see there are internet bill, pharmacy, refund, and all. And if I cross verify it from my own sample statement, so I can see I have salary credit. And okay, sorry, I opened the wrong statement. So this is the sample statement that I uploaded on currently. So it is showing the time in UTC, so that's why it's still 7/1/2026. And this is the transactions, post transaction apex and all. And it gave the whole of the finally summary like gambling and vulnerable spending checks, which are none in this statement. It gives the spending analysis and all. If I view the other bank statement, this is the bank statement that was having gambling websites, and these are the gambling websites that were visible. And it gives them executive summary, spending analysis, budget destruction plan, and also it performs well if there are more transactions. So it gives you more things like investment and saving strategy. So and it also gives you final recommendations. So a user can use it for their personal financial management, and they can do wealth generation also, and they can save smart. It is following the three rule of budget saving, that is 50 30 20. And yeah, that's all for the project. Thank you.